So can we just slow down?
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So let's just start off the eye portion. So I used the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette in the shade Sober, and I used the Morphe M506 brush. So I'm just packing the eyeshadow in the crease area using a circular motion, as you can see. So I'm just going to continue to add the eyeshadow until I get that diffused look. And then after that, I'm going to use the airspun powder, and I'm just going to blend that, apply that above where I applied Sober. So when I apply the other eyeshadow, I get that perfect blend. And then I'm going to go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette using that orange shade, and I'm applying that above where I applied Sober. So I'm just blending both shades together, and I used the Morphe E17 brush. And then I'm just going to go in with the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place using the shade Ife below the crease, below the where I applied Sober. So I'm just going to blend all three shades together. And then I'm going to use the grease method that I see other YouTubers use on YouTube. So I'm going to use the grease method and cut the crease before I go in with the concealer, so the concealer and the eyeshadows don't blend together. And then after that, I'm going to continue to cut the crease using the concealer, and I used the Maybelline concealer. I'm going to apply it in the description box. So yeah, as you can see, I'm applying the concealer using a circle motion. So I'm doing a halo cut crease. And then I'm going to use the shades that I used on the crease area on the lid. So I'm starting off with Sober, and I'm applying that in the outer lid crease area, and I'm applying it in the inner tear duct. And then I'm going to go back in with the shade Ife, and I'm applying it in the outer area and blend both shades together. And then I'm going to go in back with the orange shade from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm applying it above Sober. And then I'm going to use this pink shimmer shade from the Magic palette as well, and I'm applying that in the center of where I cut the crease. So I'm just going to pat that eyeshadow on until I have enough so it can pop. So after that, I went ahead and did the face portion off camera. So I came back and I did the under eye area. So I applied Sober and Ife under the eyes, under the tear duct, and yet.
So can we just slow